How's it going, guys? Curtis back again. Today I'm going to unbox these brand new for 2019 Specialized Recon shoes. So these are Specialized cross country shoes, but they've sort of pushed the market to gravel and cyclocross, but these are mainly cross country shoes. So these are their super expensive, super light, super stiff offering. So these come at $500 Australian, which is a pretty high price tag, but you get all the premium top end stuff in here. So we'll have a look. So you just get a little S-Works shoe bag here, which you probably won't use, but it might come in handy for something else. So it's just got a little body geometry sort of table thing, but what we're here for is the shoes. So I'll take these out for a sec. So you just get a user manual. It had these plastic cleats on it. I think it might have been a display shoe, I'm not too sure, but come with a couple of cleat bolts. It says here just you got to tighten. It's got replaceable studs, so put that off to the side for now. So the shoes, we'll start off with the sole. So this is their super stiff. Like say it's, I think it's they're 13 on the stiffness index, they reckon. So it's not the stiffest sole because it's for a mountain bike shoe, but it is very, very solid. So pretty much unbendable. So real nice carbon fibre weave on there. These are the replaceable studs here, so I've just tightened them up, put a bit of Loctite on them. You don't have to run them, but they're good for, for cyclocross. If you need a sprint, they'll dig into the ground or the mud. So here we got the titanium cleat mounts, and the tread on here is pretty decent. I had a cleat on here before, and it come fairly. These come up a little bit higher than the cleat, a fair bit higher than the cleat, so that's nice. It's got a gripper here in the middle in case you slip on your pedal, and then a nice bit of tread at the back. So they've still got from last year this solid heel cup design, but they've claimed it's a lot more comfortable now. So when you're pulling up on the pedals, your heel is pretty much just locked into the shoe. So super good power transfer. So what I love about these is you get the aluminium boa dials, anodized black or whatever, pretty nice. So on the left shoe here it's opposite, so it's left hand to tighten, and these tighten really, really hard. You can cut all the blood flow off to your feet pretty much. And you got the adjustable footbed strap here up the front, which probably won't touch too much, but you can close the footbed if you need. Got the Specialized logo up front here, a little bit of soft material. You got the S-Works logo on the side here. And here's what I like about the shoe. So I'm going to be using these on my road bike, and tend a little bit of, if I put too much chain lube on it, a little bit of oil can come up. Well, it'll be on this shoe on the right hand side from the chain lube. Doesn't often happen, but my other shoes have got a little bit of black staining from maybe rubbing on the chain, so I do like that it is stealthed out on the sides, so they won't be getting dirty. And it's got the Dyneema fabric on here, which they claim is as strong as steel or something, which I don't really believe, but it is very light. It does not stretch at all, and they claim it's more comfortable and more durable. So yeah, these shoes, I've put them on and they fit just perfect like a glove. Like I said, you can crank down on these really hard and your heel just will not slip out at all. So might do a review on these later, but yeah, this is just an overview and unboxing, and pretty stoked about these. So if If you enjoy, peace out. Give it a thumbs up.